Hello and welcome to Eco House and another edition to our installation highlight videos, where today you join me in the heart of the Cotswolds at this amazing new build project. Now this particular house is one of 4 where we've been installing our Internorm windows and doors over the last few months, and we're on the last day of installation to finish everything for the client. So let's go take a look around. What an incredible setting for this new build property. We'll be back in a few months' time where we'll show you around the completed house. Join us on the next Eco House video.